we go to breakfast. Shayo. Another banger. Make a call, make a bong bong bong, make a call, make a deep body bong bong bong, your body kakara, make a bong bong bong, on a make it.
Changing plans. We're going to the beach instead. My tour guide called me, said that I'm the only one who booked the excursion, so they're going to cancel. Boo. To Mambo Beach from Blue Beach, Cabana Beach. At Mambo Beach now. No pets allowed unless it's a service dog. It seems like the beaches, they tend to put rocks that enclose to help prevent waves. And you can also go out. So they try to help break the waves and keep the water calm, so you get a nice little beach, minimal waves. They're fishing in the water. You guys can see them. Similar schools of fish. It's nice, it's cool, it's refreshing. It's nice and cool outside, it's warm, it's perfect for each day. I think this is about where I stopped. But I guess to get out there, over yonder, you have to swim out. So yeah, to swim out to get over there, and we can jump and dive. Because it's a bit deeper. But if you're comfortable, you're not want to try to swim, you can just stay on the shore. I'm gonna go get a drink. Bar number 2. Bar number 2. Not my bartender being Jamaican. Everywhere we there. Everywhere. The sun went out, but apparently went in, but it apparently come back out. Got some Cajun fries with some like mayo and ketchup. Some wings. They actually have like stores. So this is my apartment. I'm staying downstairs, upstairs, but I'm on the ground floor. This is it. It comes with a little kitchenette. Like a nice little studio. And then this is the bathroom. And this this is me, back from the beach. I have this little outside area. This has a little full-length mirror, table, kettle. They give us like things about Curaçao. Curacao on the table. So I got a little guidebook. Plugs above my bed. Door number 1 is a fridge. So it has a fridge built in with the cupboards, the cabinet, and just kitchen utensils. So if you want to make a little snack, there's a stove, electric, boogie woogie woogie, heat, coffee maker, very self-contained. Cool stuff, towels and iron, blow dryer, bathroom, rain shower, mirror. Look at smart mirror too. Like if you press the power button. Lights on. Lights off. Even gave you an adapter. This is the outfit of today. Morning guys, so today I'm heading out on another excursion, so come with me. Yeah, as you guys see, I had to change locations, so I'm just getting ready to leave. See you in the next clip. This is the restaurant area. This is the other area. So I'm out here waiting. My lips are dry, yeah. Guys, imagine I'm out there waiting for hours and I still have not been picked up. I would say, I don't know if this is the norm or if because it's carnival time, but booking an excursion seems to be a thing here. Because I'll give the first operator this. They called me before. That's the kayaking, and I'll give them credit. They were willing to reschedule. It's just that when the times when they reschedule, I would not be available. And they called me, and the reason why they called me is that they wanted to reschedule because I was the only person for that day. It's not that day, so they asked me if I could reschedule to a day where there would be more people. I guess, you know, manpower and stuff like that. They didn't want to just carry one person out on the kayak excursion. And I said, okay, fine, you know, that's fine. I will still recommend them. They were communicated. They tried to work something out, and they immediately gave me a refund. This operator, I'm just like, I wanted to swim with the turtles. That's one of the things that I wanted to do, and here I am waiting, and still nothing. Calling, texting, my hotel is calling, and nothing. Ridiculous. So after being a disgruntled person, let's try this again. So they put me on a different tour. This is me waiting.
Hey, I had the fun though. That's the new.
So in the distance, there are flamingos. So there's another group over there. There's a third group all the way yonder. So it's 3 different groups of flamingo. They look white on this, but they're pink in real life. It's because they're in the distance. This is a protected area, so can't exactly go up to them. And this is the salt lake of Curaçao. They used to mine salt here. The Dutch came here to mine salt, but they didn't get enough, so they went to Bonaire. And these flamingos are actually, they nest, and they're from here. They nest in Bonaire, and they just come here to get salt.
Excursion. It's one of the most beautiful that we have here on the island. The bedroom where the parents used to sleep, and the living room for the 10,000 kids that they used to have in our language means kakaboo. Yeah. Why? Because they give out some gases, and the gases will make sure animals will not come in. So that means kitchen, bathroom, everything.
But first we have to head down here.
For all time's sake.
To find turtles. And the turtles in the room with us. So nice. It's so salty. Like, I can help. Salty AF. Oh. I don't know if you guys can see the fish, but they have some nice fish on their head. See it there. Fishy, fishy, fishy.
For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a dog.
Like the fish are also swimming about the place.
There's the bar. There's the turtle.
Look at the fish. The elephant is coming to fish. You're a little too close to my bird. I don't know if I like that was some fighting words. And I can't fight an elephant, so that's unfortunate.
Touch me, aquí, papi, aquí, touch me. Mami, mami, aquí, touch me. Okay, come, papi. Hello, you doing it? Papi.
Hello, Mr. Turtle.
Papi.
How'd you do right now? Lord, you met at the cafe.
stand left me. Or did it come for me? I don't know.
How beautiful it is. We have 160,000 people living here on the island right now.
The restaurant. At the next spot, which is a beach. People snorkeling there too, but oh, look at this. Clear blue. I'm just having a ham and cheese empanada. I'm feeling on the beach. Curaçao, where are you? KFC? Burger King? I'm gonna give you a shot. Where are you? I'm in vacation. Where are you? At work, in traffic, heading home. Wish you could be here. Hello, welcome. Hi guys, so today we're at the beach, starting my tour. The last stop before we head back home. My battery is low, so you know I'm going to a place nearby. Gotta go. I'm at the beach. This beach is so beautiful, like clear blue, powder white sand. This is the Caribbean advertisement. Yeah, this is the mean. When they say come on a vacation to the Caribbean, yeah man, that they mean.
1 cent, smallest coin. Then we have the 5 cents. We have 10 cents. Yeah? Yeah, okay. This is a special edition that they make a couple of years ago. They market, yes. 1990, so 1 year after I was born. Amazing. And we still have it. And this one is a silver one that was created 1982, special edition. At the moment that Queen Beatrice stepped down and gave the throne to the next in line. Yeah, so you can take party.
So this is good morning guys. It's my final day on the island of Curaçao. I'm tired, but I have a 4 a.m. So I have another early morning flight today. It's my last day here on the island of Curaçao. Can you believe it? Time has flown so fast. It's my final day. I have an 8 o'clock flight. So I have to reach there by like 5:30. So it's 4 now. I've gotten up. Oh, God, I'm tired. Gotten up and it's time to get ready. Like the time flew, really flew. But yeah, I have to get ready. So I have to get up, get ready, take a shower. Already packed. My stuff already packed away. The only thing left out would be my toiletries and the clothes I'm going to wear. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get ready and then wait for my taxi. I already have a taxi driver that I've been using. Messaged him to remind him to pick me up and he said okay. So yeah, told him to come at 5. The airport, it's 20 to 30 minutes away. It probably will be less because it's early morning. So unlike when I was coming in and there was like traffic because it was carnival, it's early morning, so it shouldn't be as bad. So yeah, see you guys when I get ready. God, you can see that I'm tired, right? So guys, so this is my airplane fit. So I'm heading out now. Guys, so this is me. I'm heading out. My taxi's already here. So see you guys when I'm at the airport. So I made it to the airport bright and early.
Last, now everybody go to breakfast.